Alright guys, welcome back. As you guys know, I'm doing a 10-part series on my channel where I'm unboxing either a new item in my wardrobe or I'm showing you a new item I've added to my wardrobe. And so in today's video, I'm going to actually show you something I got from the MYTHERESA sale. So, and this actual item is actually from my wish list as well. So I have been eyeing these particular shoes for quite some time. And if you've watched my 2024 wish list, you know that this was actually on the actual wish list. So without further ado, I will be showing you the Row Shrimpton boots. Aren't these so cute and dope? Like, look how dope these boots are. I love, again, if you watch my video, my 2024 wish list, I mentioned that one of the key reasons I really like this boot is because of the curved heel. And it's kind of like a Y2K 90s aesthetic. I love the pointed square toe, so it can be worn in multiple different ways. You know, wide leg pants, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with Bermuda shorts. You can wear it with bell bottoms. You can wear it with like a mini skirt. You can even possibly get away with wearing it actually no, you can wear it with a midi dress. But super cute. Let me get the other one. Pants. Okay. So here's the actual boots. This is the back, the side, and the front. I believe the heel height for these is maybe about, I want to say about 3 inches. It's I haven't tried them on yet. Let me actually try these on and see how comfortable they are and how they fit. All right, 1 second. So here's the actual boot. As you can see, a little bit above the ankle, really cute heel, squared pointed toe, and yeah, the heel is relatively not that high. Relatively not that high. I don't know if this is gonna be the boots that I would actually wear this outfit with, but it works. So as you saw me actually trying the item on, relatively comfortable, not too high, but still a very cute, chic boot. If you actually remember the video that I did on my 2024 wish list, I also mentioned I wanted the dark brown Row Shrimpton boots, and I actually did get them. I bought them from Neiman, but for some reason the delivery courier messed up and said that they delivered it, but it wasn't at my door, and so I had to file a claim. My apartment complex got into the mix of everything too, because at one point the courier was trying to have it delivered to the apartment complex and they rejected it because they didn't want to be held liable because it required a signature, and then all of a sudden the package was quote unquote delivered, but it wasn't at my front door and I didn't sign for it, so like who delivered it? So I had to file a claim with my credit card company, and I filed a claim with the actual Neiman, and I got my money back. But it's kind of unfortunate because I really wanted those brown boots, and those are so hard to come by. Not too many department stores or even luxury online websites were even selling the dark brown version. I can find plenty of websites that are selling the black one, but like I think the only 2 websites that was actually selling the brown one was Forward, Neiman, and Net-a-Porter, and those are all sold out. So I'm still looking, I'm still checking, still trying to find the brown version of these boots, but I want it at the sale price. Like, I don't want to buy it full price. Why would I buy full price if it's on sale now? Like, I got these shoes I bought from MYTHERESA on sale, and I saved almost $1,000. These retail for $17.90. I got this for a little over $1,000, like $1,075. That's with tax and everything. So like, I saved $800. Like, that's a huge savings. And I'm all about a good savings. Like, why pay full price if you can get it on sale? You just have to wait and be patient. So we'll see if I end up finding the dark brown version of these boots. I'll definitely come back on camera and show you guys. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned for my next installment of my 10-part series of new items being added to my wardrobe. And as always, make sure you do it with style. Bye guys.